this is our new apartment. This is our entrance and the closet. Living room where we eat. There's blankets packed up to the curtains to keep the sun out more from when we had a horrible heat wave and we just haven't got around to taking them down yet. Laundry room, and over there is where the water heater is and where we keep the cat litter and such. Down the hall. This way is the kitchen. Go through the kitchen, we get back into the living room and dining room-ish area. Our beautiful balcony. We've got dirt on the ground because they won't stop digging in Jay's plant. Let's go back this way to the bathroom. Sink, mirror, toilet, bathtub. So, quite a bit of storage in here. So that's nice. We didn't have any storage really in our old apartment. Aiden's room, bed isn't made or anything. No curtains or anything like that, like I told you in my update video. We'll get there eventually. Closet. And last but not least, mine and Acadia's bedroom. Nice sized closet. Yeah, so this would be it. Just getting a nice collection of bows and stuff. I think one or two of them isn't even there. And I'm working on some more. See, like I said, the blinds, they only come to there, so it's not universal enough for our windows. So yes, that's our apartment. Thanks for watching.